On today's video, I want to show you what I got in the Target Beauty box. This is for $7. It is the Define and Shine box. It is currently out of stock in the Target website, but you can click on there for them to notify you. So I just wanted to show you what I got. I actually saw some couponers that posted on this deal, so I thought I'd check it out. Okay. So they're all like little sample size. So here is Hello Hair Gorgeous. Came with some like 4 coupons. I believe it's for the products. And let's see what we got. So these are all sample sizes. This is a Millie Detangling Co-Wash. We got Tegan Miracle Hair Mask. And then we have the same brand, and this is a deep conditioner. These are like little guys. They're little. This is from Jane Carter Solution. This is Curls to Go. And Tangle this is this leave-in conditioner? Yeah, it's a leave-in. And then we have Camilla Rose. This is a butter gel. And this is an almond jai twisting butter. Yeah. So these little guys were all $7 altogether. So again, it is out of stock at the Target website, but you can be notified to get it. It's only $7, so these are great little samplers, and I just thought I'd show you what I got for that. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.